Mi ò lè rán ọmọ tèmi kankan. Ṣé rí àwọn ọmọ mi ń tarí. Ẹ rí kọ́ ọmọ mi ní òwòrí. Ẹ kí lẹ mọ̀ nípa ọmọ Lizzy. For very long, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó gan ló jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé Lizzy bímọ. Gbogbo yín ò mọ̀ pé mo lọ́mọ. Mọ̀ pé mo bímọ. I'm a mother. Èmi ni mo ní ẹ̀tọ́ láti lọ ṣiṣẹ́ láti fi make sure wípé àwọn ọmọ mi ní good life. Ẹ̀tọ́ mi ò rán àwọn ọmọ mi lọ máa tọrọ báárà nílé married man.
Tọ́ wàhálà tún ti ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí. Lizzy Anjorin ó ti tú àṣírí Naira Marley àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó nípa ti awuyewuye tó ń lọ lẹ́rìn àwọn méjèèjì níbi tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ti sọ wípé Naira Marley gbúdọ̀ go down tí ó tún sọ wípé ó ní Naira Marley ó fi tipátipá bá ọmọ òun lò. Nínú fídíò yìí ni Lizzy Anjorin ti tú bí gbogbo rẹ̀ ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́rìn àwọn méjèèjì. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ fi ara balẹ̀ kí ẹ wo fídíò yìí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé ìparí torí wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí ni Lizzy Anjorin tú nínú fídíò tí ẹ ń wò yìí. Ó ti yá, ẹ máa gbádùn rẹ̀.
Forcefully, allegedly, enter your daughter. Lala Koko, first and foremost, you are a jobless, failed, pathetic mother that always wants other people's sweat to feed yourself and your children. That is why you always come online and cry. Now, all of you watching me tonight, how many of you are mothers here? Tó bá ti bímọ, tó bá ẹ̀yin obìnrin ni o. Ẹ̀yin obìnrin ni ká kọ́kọ́ nawọ́. Raise your hand. Raise your hand and tell me. Just say, I've given birth to 4. I've given birth to 1. I've given birth to 6. How many kids have you gotten? I want you guys to write it out. I want to ask a question. And I want us to be fast about it. I will ask some men too. I will ask some men. How many of you have given birth to child or children? How many kids have you got? How many kids did you have? I want you to. How many of you? Ọmọ mélòó lẹ́ni? Ọmọ mélòó lẹ down? Ọmọ méjì, God bless you. Oyoyoya, mo fẹ́ máa ra ọmọ yín. En tó bímọ kan. En tó Betty, how many? I want you to say ọmọ méjì. Ọmọ ká ọmọ fọ́lọ́mọ. Àwọn ọmọ yá máa dirú di gba be type yẹn. Ọmọ méjì, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Bẹ́ ṣe ń kọ iye ọmọ tẹ́ nìyẹn. God bless you. 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 Adenike, God bless you. Glam, Luxy, God bless you. Okay, God bless you. God bless you. Now, how many of you? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Oh yeah, open it. How many of you can send your child to Naira Marley's house? If you can send your own child to Naira Marley's house, just type, I can send my child to Naira. Naira Marley is not a killer. Naira Marley is not a bad person. If you can send your child to Naira Marley's house, just say, yes, I can send my child to Naira Marley's house. Then we move on. If you cannot, say, no, I cannot send my child to Naira Marley's house. Let me speak for my own. When you are typing your own, myself, Lizzy Anjorin, I cannot send my child, any of my children, I cannot send any of my children to Naira Marley's house. One, Naira Marley is a married man, and not just a married man. Naira Marley is a polygamist. He has 2 wives. Number 2, Naira Marley is a young man with many artists around him that are young boys. For that second point, I cannot send any of my children to Naira Marley's house. Naira Marley, just like sending your daughter to my husband. They were not related. It's a foolish mother that will send your daughter to another married man. Naira is a polygamist man. Naira is a married man. Naira works with young guys. Many of them. If you go to Naira's house, you will see a lot of young guys. So for that reason, it is a taboo for any mother to send your daughter to such house. Except if your daughter is an artist. And Naira Marley signed an agreement that I want to sign your daughter. Fine. Because if Naira Marley did not do it, other young artists around you will do it. Once you send your child that is not related to a man can do and undo. That is their nature. This is Africa. This is not America or Canada. Am I communicating? Am I communicating? Gbọ́ mi nǹkan tí mi sọ. Ọmọ tó bí. Mi ò lè rán ọmọ tèmi kankan. Ṣé rí àwọn ọmọ mi ń tarí. Ẹni kọ́ ọmọ mi ní òwòrí. Kí lẹ mọ̀ nípa ọmọ Lizzy? For very long, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó gan ló jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé Lizzy bímọ. Gbogbo yóò mọ̀ pé mo lọ́mọ. Mọ̀ pé mo bímọ. I'm a mother. Èmi ni mo ní ẹ̀tọ́ láti lọ ṣiṣẹ́ láti fi make sure wípé àwọn ọmọ mi ní good life. Ẹ̀tọ́ mi ò rán àwọn ọmọ mi lọ máa tọrọ báárà nílé married man.